14 new messages. Surbi Pandey from New Delhi. I am on the camera. Okay. So your query is
Hello, sir.
regarding marriage.
Yeah, hi, sir. Good evening.
Yeah. So what is related to your marriage? What is the issue? Are you
Um,
too choosy or over intelligent? And that is the way you are not getting an exact match. What is there? Come on, tell me.
sir, I think that would be best that if you if you would be telling the exact reason.
See, in marriage, in marriage, what has happened today, like in today's world, for last 10, 15, 20 years, because everyone has, is into studies, somewhere we try to match that, someone of my match should get. But
True,
let
sir.
me tell
True.
you, if the two people are of exact match, your marriage may work for some time, but after that, take my words, of course it may not be right in all the cases, but I may say for many cases, if two are equally there, if there is no difference, then the clash of ego comes, the clash of ego comes after some time, and then like we are apart, so it's better that there is some difference, either someone of higher knowledge or someone of lower knowledge. Then what happens, at least someone listens to other person, and then the marriage can work. Okay, so see that, understand that. Okay, so okay, let me first put your date of birth.
Yeah, first of all, sir, I really want to thank you. It's my honor that I'm getting chance to speak to you here directly.
Yes, because your camera
And
is on, and I've seen from the starting you are there, and you have asked a genuine question. So it is now my duty to take up your,
thank you, sir.
yeah. So let me put your name, Surbi. It is only the chance, that universe gives. I am nowhere. People have given their names. I am speaking out their names, but still they are not coming on camera. So they are just missed it. Just missed it. Marriage. Okay. So let me put your birth details. 1 minute. Where they went. Here. 5/1/1991. Okay. So again, a second, case that we are taking, and it is of the month of January. There is something to do with January.
So I wrote in the chat, I think it's the Army Day on 15th of January.
Yeah. So, yeah, 15th of January is the Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti,
Oh,
in India,
okay.
we fly kites in many of the states, if not all. So it's 3:20 a.m. Let me take care that, the PM doesn't come up. 3:20 and a.m. and Delhi. Yes, so I have done it rightly. Otherwise, if we don't see it, so it's 3:20 a.m. and 5/1/1991. Okay, so who will write in the chat for marriage which house we have to see? Okay, write down, who knows? Come on, of course I will say to you, but at least write down. Come on, write down which house we have to see. Who knows it? Sir, please unmute. Sir, please wait. Please wait for us to unmute, because otherwise, if everyone speaks together, it will become difficult. Yes, 7th house, 5th house also. But if it is for love marriage, or there is always already something ilu happening before marriage. Okay, so let me see her 7th house. 7th house, the sublord is moon. Sublord is moon. So let us see. So your moon current, dasa period already is running. So let us see what moon is giving us. And also in the ruling planet, also moon is there. So moon says 8, 1, 3, 8, 12 and 2, 10. Oh my God. So currently the moon is not in any mood to give you the marriage. Let me see the dasa. When this moon is going to get changed. Let me see. So 2022, then Mars is going to come. Let me see what Mars is giving. Yes, so you have to just wait for 2 more years, and then is where your marriage can happen. At present, the moon is not in any mood to give you any marriage. So you can write down the dates, that is after 7th of December 2022, means roughly, oh, it is, means you have to 1 minute, it's moon. Yes, after 7th of December 2022, that means roughly in 2023 Jan, that is where you can start looking. Okay, or after Diwali in 22, you can start looking, so by January comes, you are there with a lot of horoscopes which you can send to me, and then we will choose for you the right candidate. Okay?
Sure, sir. Yeah.
So after 7th of December 2022 is the right time that you start to look. At present, just enjoy your life, do some higher studies or do some occult studies. Don't waste your time looking for candidates, because it is not going to work overall, or you may not get the right candidates. Okay,
So that is
yes,
what is
yes.
happening actually. That
That
is
is
what
what
is
is
happening. Like,
happening.
yeah. So actually, I get like good number of like matches are there. मतलब वो आते हैं घर वालों के पास. But वही होता है कि कोई भी ऐसे strike ही नहीं करता. मतलब मन ही नहीं मानता कि नहीं यार ये मुझे बिल्कुल ठीक लग रहा है. हाँ इससे बात करनी चाहिए. तो वो आगे कुछ proceed ही नहीं हो पा रहा किसी चीज को भी लेके
सी
ना.
मून अभी का जो महादशा लॉर्ड है, यानी इफ वी टेल इन टेक्निकल टर्म्स, तो अभी जो लॉर्ड यानी जिनका टाइम पीरियड चल रहा है ना, आप जैसे कहते हैं ना कि अभी जैसे इंडिया पे कौन रूल कर रहा है ना, तो उनका टाइम चल रहा है. तो ऐसे आपके चार्ट में जिनका टाइम चल रहा है वो है मून, और मून का जो दशा पीरियड है वो अप टू 22 मार्च दिसंबर एंडिंग तक है, और वो कोई मूड में नहीं है आपको कोई बंदा देने के लिए, है ना, कोई मूड में नहीं है, क्योंकि वो नेगेटिव हाउस से रिलेटेड है. तो अगर आप ट्राई करेंगे भी और समझो कहीं किसी कारण से अगर कुछ हो भी गया, तो मान के चलिए वो अच्छा नहीं होगा. तो इट इज ऑलवेज बेटर टू वेट फॉर द राइट टाइम. दैट इज व्हाई वी यूज द चार्ट टू बी ऑन द राइट प्लेस एट द राइट टाइम. ओके.
ओके. तो सर इसके लिए मतलब मुझे कुछ करनी चाहिए क्या, कुछ रेमेडीज वगैरह करनी
कुछ
चाहिए
नहीं
जो
करना
थोड़ा.
है, कुछ नहीं करना
अच्छा.
है. हमारे कंसल्टेंसीज में तंत्र मंत्र जेमस्टोन्स वी डोंट यूज. वी यूज लॉजिकल and that type of corrections which are logical and which anyone and everyone can do. We never recommend any gemstone or any mantra chanting or any type of puja. We don't do that in our consultations. Okay.
ओके सर.
Because it is totally negative planet for you at present. It may be good for other activities. Understand one thing. Okay, if you are doing something online, it is good. If you are doing something with occult, your moon is good. Okay, anything if you are doing related to overseas work, it is good. Or if you are a doctor, then it is a good. If you are a surgeon, so what you are?
आई एम इंजीनियर, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर.
So for that, your moon is very good because it is connected with 8th house, which is house of trouble. But if for doctors, for surgeons, for engineers, that house is very good. So therefore, you have converted your chart already into positive by becoming an engineer. Okay. So now this current time it is telling, so you take your full, what you can say, full time, get involved into engineering work and get the positive benefit of your 8th house, which is otherwise if you don't use it, it will become negative. This is how we give a consultancy and use negative houses.
ओके सर.
Okay, so don't get involved into anything else, but do something with your engineering field for the coming 2 or 3 years. Otherwise, it will take you to somewhere negative route, and then you will end up into troubles. That is the remedy for you.
Okay. And sir, anything if I start doing online, means any extracurricular activity or something.
Yes,
So
for you online, I
अच्छा.
already told. You can start
Yeah.
anything on online where you can teach, about engineering or or something like that. You can add something over there.
ओके. ठीक है
Okay?
सर.
Yeah,
ठीक है.
yeah, yeah.
सब
So now
whole
before.
hearted thanks.
Thank you, thank you,
Thank you,
thank you.
sir.
It is my pleasure that I could answer your query. Universe help me. The ruling planets. It is the ruling planets that help, and I get the right answer. Okay.
Yeah.
So it is always the universe, our 9 planets, and the prayer that I told you. It is all about our earth and all about our nature, who are our God in true sense. So every day you just pray to, the God is our universe, is our, the 5 elements, the nature, the seas, the lakes, the rivers, the oceans, the rain, all that are our God. So tell them thank you. The oxygen that we breathe, just you can close your nose for 1 minute and stay alive. Has anyone told thank you to oxygen and to air in their lifetime? Come on, raise hand if you have said so. Please do that. Please do that. to plants, to trees, to water, to oxygen, to air, everything you tell every day thank you. To the sun, to the moon, they are gods in the true sense.